Hi friends, welcome to my channel Olympiad Math. Today we are dealing with an interesting problem from number theory. The question is this: which of the following is not a factor of 6 to the power of 12 minus 1? There are four options given here: 5, 35, 215 and 127. We're just finding the one which is not a factor of this numerical expression. So what do you mean by factor? A number is said to be a factor of another number if the first number divides the second number. For example, if you take 5, that's a factor of 25. It's as simple as that. Or another word for factor is divisor. Let me write the numerical expression whose factor we are finding. Let me write like this: 6 to the power 6, the whole squared minus 1 squared. We have made use of this simple result from law of index. A to the power, the whole raised to n is a power mn. So removing this bracket, you will get 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. In the next step, see, this is in the form a square minus b square. And we know that a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Where a is what in this case? A is 6 to the power 6 and b is 1. So you will get it expanded like this: 6 to the power 6, which is a, plus b is 1, multiplied by 6 to the power 6 minus 1. Now let me write this expression as it is. This one you can further split like we did before: 6 to the power 3 plus 1, 6 to the power minus 1. Again, what are we doing here? The same rule, in which case a will be 6 to the power 3 and b will be 1. The same basic identity we are using with slight change in the value of a. In the second splitting, a is taken to be 6 to the power of 3 and b is taken to be 1. Now the first expression I am not changing. 6 to the power of 3 is 216 plus 1 is 217. Similarly, 6 to the power 3, 216 minus 1 is 215. Now the given expression we have converted into product, in which 215 is one of them. This implies what actually? These are the three different factors and 215 is a factor of this number. So among the options given, 215 is out because 215 is found to be a factor of the given numerical expression. Now, if 215 is a factor of any number, any factor of 215 will also be a factor. Obviously, 5 is a factor of 215. This implies 5 is also a factor of the given expression 6 to the power 12 minus 1. That means 5 is also a factor which is also out because we are looking for a number which is not a factor. These are clearly two factors. Now we got two more options. One of them has to be ruled out. For that, the given expression we will factorize in a different way. Okay, let me write the given expression. This is the expression, numerical expression given to you. That I will write as 6 to the power of 4, the whole to the power of 3 minus 1. We are making use of this law of index. See, while removing the bracket, you will get 6 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12, and that is this. See, 1 I will write 1 cubed. Now we are going to make use of one algebraic identity like a cubed minus b cubed equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b squared. Okay. See, a cubed minus b cubed. A is 6 to the power of 4. B is 1. So using this rule, what do you get? 6 to the power of 4 minus 1. This corresponds to the term a minus b. As you know, a is 6 to the power of 4. B is 1. Now the second term, which is a squared. That means 6 to the power of 4, the whole square. Let me put this bracket. Then plus 6 to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. B is 1. Now let me simplify this again. 6 to the power of 4 minus 1, I can write like this: 6 to the power of 2 minus 1. And the second expression I'm just writing as it is because that's not going to help us answer this question. Anyway, that factor I'm just writing as it is. Now look at this. This of course comes from a squared minus b squared, where a is 6 to the power of 2 and b is 1. Yeah, we got the given numerical expression factorized into three factors. And look at this: 6 squared plus 1. that is 36 plus 1, 37. And the other one, 6 squared minus 1, which is 36 minus 1, 35. And then there is this factor. This is not going to help us in any way answer the question, so I'm not writing it. Now look at this. There are three factors in the expansion of this numerical expression, and one of them is 35, implying what? 35 is a factor of this given expression. 35 was actually one of the different options given to you. So that is also ruled out. We had four options. You may kindly refer back to the question. The options were 5, 35, 215. All these three got eliminated. Now there is only one option, that is 127, left out. So that should be the answer. Rather, 127 is the number that will not divide the given expression 6 to the power of 12 minus 1. So 127 is the final answer to the question. If there is any point you are not so clear about, please raise it in the comment section. And also whatever observations you are making about my video, please do let me know through your comments. By the way, if you like what you saw in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share it with others who you think may benefit from this. If you would like to get posted of my latest videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.